This is Drew with thepodcastingstore.com, your one-stop shop for all things podcasting and remote learning. I want to talk about a product that we just got in, which is the Shure SE215 in-ear monitors. Now, up until now, I've been using the Audio-Technica headphones, the ATH-M50X, and that's an over-ear studio headphone. Fantastic headphone, everything sounds great on it. The in-ear monitors are going to offer a couple of different advantages over that one, which are right here. This is what I've been using, and it's great. These are a little more inobtrusive on a video, so I can wear it like that and not feel like I've got this bulky thing on me. It's also a lot more portable. The cord winds right up, and it can even detach from the part that goes into your ear as well. And they do isolate the sound. They've got right here these rubber tips to them that go inside your ear, and it goes on super easy too. That's the part that really amazed me. So you just stick it on your ear like that, and then you twist this part around. This is a rigid wire here, so it forms around your ear and holds it in place, and then it goes like that. And on a video like this, of course, I have it in front of me because I'm featuring the product, but you can actually thread it behind you so that it's out of the way, and so visually speaking, it becomes really inobtrusive. And I gotta say, the sound quality is great. I was listening to some jazz on it last night, just testing it out, and I'm almost embarrassed to say that I kind of preferred it over the Audio-Technica. So check these out. Oh, and the price point is roughly for the SE215, it's about half of what the Audio-Technica over-ear headphones were. Now there are different levels as well that go on, and it's got more drivers and more options and things like that. This is just the base model, and I am super impressed with it. So check that out. We have these in stock now at the Podcasting Store, and thank you very much for watching.
If you're facing a unique problem with podcasting or remote learning, we can help. Reach out to us at thepodcastingstore.com and we'll see what solutions we can find for you. And if you like what you hear, do me a favor and tell a friend. Follow us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and sign up for our e-newsletter, and you'll never miss another podcast or video again. This is Drew with thepodcastingstore.com. Thank you for listening.